let us discuss some nomenclatures related to multiplication. In our previous example, 4 into 3, which is equal to 12, which we have already discussed. 4 times 3 equal to 12. This the first number which is before this symbol, cross symbol or multiplication symbol, is called as the multiplier, because this is the times you are adding this number 3. This number 3 is called the multiplicand, because this is the number which is getting multiplied. What I mean to say is that 4 times 3, that means you are taking 3 balls. How many times? 4 times. You are adding 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So this 3, this is the 3, and this is this 3. This is equal to 12. You can count the number of balls. This will come out to be 12, and this 3 is called the multiplicand, because this is the number which is getting added again and again, and how many times? 4 times, which is called the multiplier. And the result, which is very important to know, the result is called the product. This you should be knowing, even if you do not know these two nomenclatures. This product word is very important if you want to solve questions successfully in exams. Called the product. 3 into 4, which is the reverse of 4 into 3, this is also 12. We have also discussed that multiplication is called repeated addition. Now, some other interesting properties of multiplication are, if I ask you 0 times 3, this will always be equal to 0, because 0 times 3 means you are not taking this number any time. That means you are taking 3 never. So 0 into 3 equal to 0, and 3 times 0 will be equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0. 3 times 0, we have taken 0 3 times. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is always equal to 0. So 0 into 3 equal to 3 into 0 equal to 0. Basically 0 into any number, you take any number or any number into 0 equal to 0. 0 into any number equal to 0. For example, if you take 4 9 3 9 4 6 2 9 into 0 will also be equal to 0. This number you may make much bigger, and you multiply it by that by 0 will always be equal to 0. So this is one of the property that you should know very well, and I don't want you to memorize, but if you can understand the logic that you are adding 0 so many times, the result will always be 0. Understand this and it will sit right back on your head properly. Next, let us get into another property of multiplication, taking an example 4 multiplied by 1, which you can read as 4 times 1, or 4 ones are. So 4 times 1 will be equal to, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we have taken this 1 how many times? 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. Or you can also write 1 into 4, which is 1 time 4, or 1 4 r. So how 1 time 4 is just a single 4. So you can say 4 into 1 equal to 1 into 4, which is equal to 4. So we can similarly for some other number, 7 into 1, 7 times 1, or 1 times 7 will always be equal to 7. We can generalize this whole knowledge in one single statement. You take a number, can be any number, and multiply that by 1, it will be equal to that particular number. Similarly, if you reverse that, multiply 1, that number will be equal to that particular number. So for example, if you take 10945 6 multiplied by 1, it will be equal to 109456, which is basically this same number. You take some other number 99992 will be equal to 99992. So you can take any number, multiply that by 1, you will arrive at the same number. So this is one property you should know very well, or you should understand very well. And the most important property which I am again telling you, that you should remember very well, that if you change the order of number, the product or the result will not change. You can take any example. 3 into 5 will be equal to 5 into 3, which is equal to 15. 2 into 3 equal to 3 into 2 equal to 6. That's it. See you in next video. If our videos and website www.decodemonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodemonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.